Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? This is Larry Jones with Stock Up with Larry Jones. We are the family known as Stock Up with Larry Jones. It's just not me, myself, but all of you wonderful viewers and subscribers. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. And please don't fall for any spam in the comment section. Hey, I just want to talk and just tell you guys that a couple of things. We know what's going on with the market, right? If you have a foresight on what has happened, where we are in the market, and a foresight of where the market is going, then you can trade, you can be a more informed trader, right? And so we know that because of the yield curve inversion, higher inflation, and soon to come housing bubble that's going to deflate, right? Then we know that inevitably 12 to 18 months from now-ish, we could, and I believe we will, go into a recession. But for those of you that think that that's bad news, it's not. It's actually healthy for the overall market in the cycle, right? It's just resets, okay? But what you want to know and what you want to do is what I'm doing. And that is I'm cashing up for next year. So here's the trick, good people. Here's what always happens, because most investors have short-term memory loss. Short-term memory loss, meaning we could go into another bull market before the recession hits, right? And so what happens is the market goes up and we just say, hey, nothing's going to happen. We're not going to have a recession. It's not coming. Look at how high the market is growing, right? And then comes the recession. So what I want you to do is we're going to continue to buy. We're going to roll with this economy and see how high it goes. We're going to continue to make money, right? We're going to profit take. But while we're doing that, and we're going to continue to dollar cost average in, right? We're going to continue to DCA. But while we're doing that, we're going to be stashing away some money for what? For the recession, right? And I suggest keeping some of it in your portfolios ready, right? And what happens is when you start to buy some of these high conviction, low PE companies, solid growth companies, then you're going to win, right? Buying it at the bottom of a recession or during the bottom. I'm not going to say at the bottom because nobody could time the market. But if you just buy it during the bottom or even during the recession, you're a winner, okay? And so we're going to put that extra cash in when the recession happens, and we're going to continue to dollar cost average. It's Sunday, you guys know. I like to leave you with something that is more than stocks. And this is what I want to say. On yesterday's video, I'm sorry, it was Friday night, I posted a video of a guy called Al Blades, A-L Blades, right? He does the lawnmower, right? And he finds distressed, people that have overgrown grass and shrubbery and all of that. And he goes, I'm going to cut it and do this for free, right? And the guy was already doing it. It was his business. But he's got tens of millions of views, okay? And I just posted that to, encourage somebody out there, right? Of course, you always got the naysayers that come up, and I'm not complaining. I just want you to be careful about this. Yeah, but, everybody's not going to get on YouTube and get, 14 million views. If you're thinking like that, then you will always be in your situation. So the purpose of posting that video was not to say everybody go run out and start a YouTube page. The purpose of posting that video was to show you that you can create another stream. And I had so many of you guys post wonderful ways that you're making extra income. One guy said he goes dumpster diving, and I believe he said he's making on about $50 an hour dumpster diving. So the video was to encourage you guys to create a side hustle, cash up, and be ready for the upcoming recession, which at this point could be Q2 of Q or Q3 of next year. The only way that it's going to happen earlier than that is going to be the Fed, right? So the Fed has to land the ship safely. I'm also going to say, remember this, like my good buddy Ron Lewis always says, it's 24 hours in a day, right? You're supposed to work 8 hours. You're supposed to sleep 8 hours. 8 and 8 is 16. And you got 8 hours to do whatever you want to do, right? The problem is most of us squander away that third 8. So that 24 hours a day, we squander away it every week, every month, and every year. And then one day we wake up, we're 68 years old, and we never did anything with that other 8. What I'm encouraging you to do is invest in you with that other 8. I don't care what you do at your job. Your job does not define you. Just like Al Blades, he literally just videotapes himself cutting strangers' grass, and he's making a nice income, creating another stream. He has his own lawnmower service, but now he created another stream. And I'm going to tell you this, everybody that is seeing and listening to me right now, you have a gift that is significant to you. God put brilliance in everybody when you were created, before you were created. So tap into that and find out what that is that other people will pay you for. Just, there's so many different ways. I want all of you guys to go to Fiverr, Fiverr, and look at the many ways that people are making money. Whatever you can think of, if you can draw, you can make money. If you can edit, you can make money. If you could spell correct, you can make money. I have a young man that's like a son to me. He's literally just repurposing, he's doing social media for other people, and now he is making $100,000 a year. Young, not even 30, making $100,000 a year, just doing social media for other people, just uploading TikTok and Instagram videos. It is out there if you search, and it will blow your mind how you can make money, different streams of income while you're working your job. So it's no risk. So I want you to take that extra 8 hours that we normally just blow watching TV, playing video games, or whatever we do with that extra 8 hours. It's okay to do that, but take at least one of those 8 hours, right, and invest in you. And here's another nugget I'm going to leave with you guys. There's a saying that do what you love and you will never work another day in your life. That is not true, good people. It's not. Do what you're good at. Do what people will pay you for and become passionate about it, right? And that's where it is, because the thing that you're passionate about may not be the thing that is your why that will make you money, right? The good book says your gift will make room for you. And so you're sitting here with gold in your pocket and you're begging for food. So what I'm saying is, everybody that's listening to me, tap into your brilliance, and I guarantee you there is a crowd or a business or people that will pay you for whatever that is. All right. And so just think about that. Sometimes it may be, walking a dog. You can get paid for that. It's just so many things that you could do that if you give it a little time, get in a room with like-minded people, call your friends, not the ones that fell off the dummy truck, but call your friends that have a half a brain, and you guys, and I don't mean that, but just call some people that that are successful, and just sit in the room and see what you can do. Let them pour into you and you pour into them. And I'm going to tell you, it could be life-changing for you, right? So I'm just encouraging you guys. I was so encouraged. I want you guys to watch the video before this and look at all the brilliant ways that people are making money when they didn't think they could make money from those ways. Okay. So that's what I wanted to leave with you guys today, good people. And hey, tomorrow we'll be back in the session. We'll be open. The stock market will be open, but we're going to see what happens, and we're going to keep you guys abreast on everything that is going on. Okay. So now, one of the things I want to say is make sure you click my links below, and there's two that I want you to download right now. That's Moo and Weeble. So myself, Josh, actually Stocks with Josh, made a video. I'm going to leave it here in this box, and it will simply show you how to use the Moo app. Okay. I made a video on this page on how to use the Weeble app, because we're going to be using them both. All right. Open those accounts, and you literally can put $1 in each if you don't have it. So if you have Moo, then open up a Weeble. If you have Weeble, then open up a Moo. Put $1 in there, and they're going to give you 5 free stocks. So you're going to make money just by opening up the accounts. Okay. So fund them immediately. That's what I want to tell you guys. If you guys get inspired on other ways to make money, or you know some other ways that you have already made money, leave me some comments. I absolutely positively love it, because you inspire other people. Okay. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.